Okay, so I've taken this to 3 different mechanics, and they all say there's nothing wrong with this tire. I've had the wheel bearings replaced. I've had new tires put on. The tie rod end, ball joints, they've all been checked and everybody says they're tight. But there's definitely something wrong here. If you push on the top end of this tire, you can feel there's something definitely loose in here. And you can hear something in there clunk. I can't do it with one hand, but there, let me see here. There's something loose in here. The weird thing is, when I take it to a shop and they shake this wheel, it doesn't do this. There's no noise, nothing is loose. Something is definitely loose. Somewhere. I don't know where. I don't know what. Nobody else seems to know either. I don't understand. Nobody can figure this out.